Good day, sir. My name is Binar Mathapa. My serial number is ST100 and in this video, I'll be just demonstrating my part 2 for programming. Right. So the project is on GitHub. So when you clone the GitHub project and open the project in Visual Studio, this is what you're gonna see. To make the application run on your computer, what you have to do is first you have to go to application setting and then go to your SSMS, click on this button and copy the server name. You have to copy the server name and then paste it right here. After you're done with that, you have to go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager Console. And since we already have the migration over here, you can just say update database. And when you give this command, then everything will be installed on your, or all the tables are going to be installed on your SSMS in the database. Okay. Since I've already done that, I'm not going to do that. And then when you have updated the database, you can click over here and all the data are going to be seeded. So there is no, or we don't need any kind of SQL script that we have to run to use or to do the seeding. Yeah, the seeding will happen automatically when you run the application. Okay, so let's wait for the program to start. All right, as you can see, our program has been started. The first thing you're going to see is the Agri Connect, and you can go to login. When you go to login, we also have a login credentials, which is login@gmail.com. The password is basically, let me just figure out the password. Password is basically admin@0011. So let's paste the password. Let me say remember me and log in. As you can see, now we go into dashboard. We are logged in as an employee and super admin. If you want to log out, there is an option called logout. Now, our admin can also, or employee can also add a product, but let's see the main thing that we want to do is employee can add a farmer or not. So over here, as you can see, the farmer is already there. This one's basically, we did it for seeding purposes, but I'm gonna create a farmer right now. So I'm gonna make as a Rohan and Khadka, and the name is just gonna be Rohan @gmail.com, and I'm just gonna give a password here. All right, so I've given the password and I can create a password. As you can see, it says farmer registered successfully, and we can also see farmer over here, which is Rohan that we just created. We can go here in the farmer, and then as you can see, we can only see farmer in this application. At the moment, we only have 2 farmers, that is John and Rohan. We can edit the password for them as well, and we can view the listing for them as well. So when a Rohan create some sort of product, we can go here and they will see all the product over here. We're gonna do that when we create product for Rohan. Our employee can create an employee as well over here. So let me just say Binar Mathapa. And let's create that employee as well. All right, so as you can see, I'm the employee, and it says over in the role section, employee and farmer and farmer. I can go to products. At the moment, we don't really have any product. So let me log in as a farmer and create some product, and you can come over here and see the functionalities of this. So let me log out. Let me log in as well. And I'm gonna go create as a farmer. Or let me just do that. Well, let me give a wrong password at the moment. Let's see what happens. Well, actually that was a right password. Let's go back and let's see what happens if you give a wrong password. Let's try to log in. As you can see, it said password did not match. So we have to give the right password. And let's log in. Sorry, the password does not match. And let's log in. As you can see, I have logged in. Well, if I copy this URL and go to a private window and try to paste that, it will ask me to log in. That means I cannot directly go inside a product. That means it is also authorizing, right? We have authorize implemented as well. So let's close that. And now let's create a product for Rohan. So product name, let's make it milk dairy, and then the production date is probably gonna choose maybe 20. And for thumbnails, I'm gonna select an image. Let's say for this one, I'm gonna select this image, and then let's create that product. As you can see, we can see product created successfully. Let's see the validation as well. What will happen if I don't give any kind of information and directly click on the create product? As you can see, I'm getting these errors as well, basically saying that, hey, you know what, you have to add this kind of field to create a product. So let's make orange, and thus the production date is basically on 29, and let's create that as well. Okay, we did not add any images, so let me delete that. Delete the product. As you can see, product deleted successfully. Let me add another one by adding product. For thumbnail, at the moment I don't really have the pictures of them, so I'm just going to use the same picture. So let's use this picture. Let's create the product as well. Okay, as you can see, orange, fruit, and then production date. Right, and let's see the functionality of edit. Well, let's say I no longer want to do milk. Let's say yogurt, and let's update that, as you can see, from milk to yogurt. And now let me create another one. Let's say banana, and let's give a fruit, and let's give a random date, and let's select the image. Let's select the same image, and let's create the product. All right, now we have 3 products created by Rohan. Right now, as you can see, all the functionalities that Farmer can do, we have implemented that as well. And yeah, so let me try to log out. And let me try to log in as well. Now let's log in with admin. All right, as you can see, all the products, admin can view all the products, right? That's Rohan had created. I can go to Farmer, and then let's see the John, the product listing by John. If I click here, there is no any product. That means John have not created any kind of product. Let's see the Rohan. We created 3 products for Rohan. So let's see. As you can see, we can see the 3 products that Rohan created. Let's go back. Okay, now as you can see, let's try the filtering as well. So as you can see, this is what this product was made on 1 May. So let's highlight from 15 to 31, and let's filter. As you can see, we can filter. We can't really see that 1 May over here. That means our filtering is working as well. We can also sort by typing. Let's say yogurt, and as you can see, yogurt as well. So there's another feature or functionality that we have added. We can also clear the filter, and then as you can see, the filter has been created. Our admin or employee can also delete our product. So let's say I want to delete this banana. All right, let's delete. As you can see, it has been deleted, the banana as well. And so this was another case. And let's see if our application is responsive or not. Well, if I go back here, let me refresh that. As you can see, it's pretty much responsive. Let's go to the mobile view, and let's refresh this, and as you can see, is responsive as well. So our application is responsive as well, not only over here, but every pages we have in this application. And then I can sign out. All right, so that was my programming part 2. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.